Hey guys, if you want to see what happened when our main cameras were poop.
Sorry. Where the heck did this come from? Okay.
I don't know, but I think that we're going to be most of the bloopers. Just saying.
Why? Every stinking time! We don't even have a hard part.
I know, and we have blinds right in front of us. We suck.
Damn it.
Oh, I love this. There's a lot of improv going on.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey everybody, if you want to see what happened when our cameras were off, then you can check out our behind the scenes right over here.
You can also check out our bloopers right over here. It wasn't my fault this time! Woohoo!
No problem!
Ah, screwed up.
Curtain behind us too, because I think that light looks weird. Because the window almost just drowned us out. I mean, we need a tan.
No we don't. Our skin is beautiful.
Our skin is almost always the same, incredibly pale white.
Oh, dang, we've been recording this.